Now let's see how to use a chart widget of classic add-ons plugin. Open the Elementor editor and click on this plus icon to add a new section, or you can add it in the existing section. And select your preferred layout here, and in the left sidebar click on this widget option and search for the chart. Just click on it to add it in your section. And the first option is extra class. Here you can add your class, and this is the chart width. Here you can enter your width of the chart. Next, enter the height of the chart, and next you can choose the preferred chart from the given. Let's choose line chart. And the next one is you have to enable the y-axis from 0 beginning. The next option is dot colors. Here you can change the dot color, and next you can change the line color here. And if you want to fill the chart, you can enable this option and enable this chart responsive for look beautiful on all the devices. And here you can choose the top legend position. And the next one is chart details. Here you can change the chart details and chart value. And if you want to add new item, just click on this add item option and enter your text and enter the chart value. Next, let's move to style, and here you can enter the padding value. And the next one is margin. Enter your preferred margin value. And the next one is border type. Here you can choose the type of the border. And the next one is border width. Enter the width of the border, and next enter the color of the border. Next, let's add the border radius value. If you want to add the box shadow, you can change it here. And the next one is background color. If you prefer background color, you can choose it from here. Finally, update it. Let's check it in the output.